Good morning. Do you feel the way I do, where you just would rather be in the wood shop? You want a little bit more time in your play area, wood shop, craft room, doesn't matter. I'm here to help you get that time. Come with me on this journey. More than likely, you're working on limited time. See here, I'm all dressed up, and because I'm going somewhere today, I'm not going to be woodworking. However, we're not leaving for a couple hours. So I don't necessarily have time to kill. I have work to do. But it's going to happen right here, right now. I have here my family's laundry. This works for several reasons. One, laundry is like a repellent for teenagers. I'm out here folding laundry. They're going to walk out, they're going to see what I'm doing, and they're going to turn right around and walk away. Shop time. Listen, I don't mind a little sawdust in my clothes, but my family, they don't like it. So instead of rolling out craft paper or whatever, I have these boxes that I have saved for when I need to ship something, if I sell something. And I'm just gonna put these babies in here. If you wanted, you could have a pile of laundry on the side, and then you could be doing some other little project, and then they walk in, and then all of a sudden you're doing laundry. It's a little deceiving. Might not be right. I don't know. You do you. It is a party in here. Some things that you could be doing while you're folding laundry. Free YouTube video time. Bring your phone, your iPad, your computer, whatever. Yeah, and people are just grateful that you folded their laundry. So, I mean, this truly is a win-win situation. But I'm not going to fold every single thing in front of you guys because I don't think my family's going to appreciate their little knick-knackies on the video. Okay. I'm done. I don't even know how long that took because you know why? I didn't care. I was in my shop enjoying myself. And now, if I so choose, I can start doing something else. And everybody's like, oh, she's out there doing laundry, so we're not going to bug her. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and stay tuned for more ways to get time in your shop without your family really knowing why you're